Hi, my name is Rishi, and this is my zeroth video. I mean to say, this is my first video where I am going to say that I'm going to start a series on YouTube as well as on Instagram, where I'll be posting my videos regularly 6 months. This is a kind of challenge for me because I'm going to show that I will be cracking a MNC in these 6 months, or I'll be building a greatest startup of my life. I have failed on one startup, but not again. I'll be building something great again. So, in these 6 months, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create my videos. It will be blog video. So, I'll be posting daily vlogs where I will elaborate what I have done uh, till the end of the day. Then, next, I'll be doing DSA where I'll be solving questions. Very next, I'll be starting a fitness exercises like I'll be joining gym and for 1 to 2 hours I'll be doing great uh, gym. So third point was gym. Fourth point is I'm going to learn more deeper into machine learning and deep learning. I know something. I'm more interested in AI and in this segment, so I'll be doing machine learning and deep learning in this phase where I will become a master of machine learning. Next, I'll be learning about quantitative finance and trading. I'll be making some models that will do trading for me. They'll predict everything from scratch. I'll be building something like that. So, fifth was Quant. Sixth is I'm going to do something more interesting in between. Like I'll be building some startups. I will do parallel execution on many ideas. Like I may have 10 to 20 ideas to execute, and I'll be building from scratch all of them. I'll be launching every single startup on one day. I'll launch it on this YouTube channel after 6 months. So startup building will be going on in this between. Seventh will be academic. I'm in third year. No, I'm in third semester, sorry. And next semester will be my fourth semester. And as soon as I know that I'm very poor in academics, so I'll be improving more in uh, this segment, like academics. So I have 7 things to do from scratch and 7 things to bring up on the master level. You might be thinking, why am I doing this? I am just stressed off of my environment. I'm just stressed off my whole mindset that I should be sleeping or I should be procrastinating all the works. I do procrastinate everything, but from now it will not be happening. I'm going to do something that I wanted to do. I'm going to build something that I wanted to build. I'm going to create something I want to deliver something that I wanted to deliver from my childhood. My dream is not to die as a random person. My dream is to die as a look. I just wanted to die in very young age, but this much age must be in my hand. I should be master of it. I should be gained as a respectful person. I should be a respectful person, right? And this is my challenge where I will be doing all this kind of thing. Like next thing is what are you thinking? Like what drives me here to do this? What are the things that made me to come in this phase? So thing is, I'm performing very poor in academics. So the criteria to have campus placement, I think I cannot reach that criteria because uh, in my first semester I was good enough to crack the criteria. Like it was 7.5 CGPA and I was at 7.7 CGPA. So my college curriculum is quite tough. So I do not think that. And in second semester, I just went into the startups and I started and all, and I was just distracted way far there from that. And my startup failed, and I got 5.8 CGPA. Cumulatively, I got 6.8 CGPA. But the thing is, now in this semester, I find it more tough to manage all these things, like the failure and the academic pressures. But the thing is, I am failed in academics, but not in the skills. I have more skill than my friends have, who are performing very well in academics. I have the skills. So my true uh, weapons are these skills, and I'm going to master it. I'm going to just master it, and from these skills, I'll be making everything. I'll be improving on myself. I will be delivering these videos, and more often I'll be cracking some good things in these between. I'll be doing some preparations of some hackathons and everything. Like I have cracked a hackathon called SIH, Smart India Hackathon. So in few days, I'm going to IIT Dhanbad to represent my idea and create that product that I wanted to create as a solution of problem statement that SIH has given. So this kind of thing will be posted regularly in this channel. So thank you. Give a blessing to me. Be well wisher to me. Thank you. I need this thing and I need your uh, companionship. Thank you. Thank you very much.